I'm going to show you how to replace the bearings on your trailer. This is an old heavy-duty mobile home style axle trailer, but the process is the same across most. When you order a bearing kit, you should get an inner bearing, an outer bearing, dust seal, cotter pin, and then the races for both bearings just in case they got damaged as well. I'm going to go ahead and take off this grease cap and then the nut holding the hub on. The inside of that rear bearing is still on the shaft there. That's this piece right here. We've got to get it off. I'm going to take a flathead and try and hammer it in the seam back here and pull it off. If I can't do that, I may take a grinder and cut it off. Be sure when you cut it to stay on the bearing piece and don't go into the shaft. I'm going to get it as close as I can without actually touching the shaft, and then I'll take my hammer with a flathead and crack it the rest of the way. And there it is. So this is the hub we took off earlier. I'm going to go ahead and save that washer there. And we will remove this bearing. And next I'm going to clean this inside out and get it ready for the new ones. Now that that's cleaned out, you'll want to inspect your race in which your bearing rides on. Make sure there aren't any nicks or cracks or anything. This side looks pretty good. This side is a little floppy. I can almost pull it out by hand. So I'm going to replace it. Next, I'm going to put that bearing in. And we're going to grease the bearing. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Go ahead and grab your bearing. You want to grab it just like this right here. Get you a palm full of grease. Take this bearing just like this and push it down into your palm until you can see the grease coming out of the back side here. That's called packing the bearings. And drop it in. Now go ahead and put your dust seal in. I always put the flat side on the outside, stick it right here, and just tap it in with a hammer real lightly. Now we do the same thing for the other side, the other bearing. Grease it up and drop it in. Go ahead and slap on your washer and then your castle nut. Tighten it as far as you can with your fingers, making sure that the entire hub is pushed back. And then once you get it in as far as you can, you want to line up the hole that goes through the stud with the capsule nut, just like that. Get you a pair of needle nose, in my case wire cutters, and give it a bend. Take the hub, move it, make sure there's no slop in it. And it rolls nice and freely. And now you're ready to go. All right, give me a like, subscribe, comment, it just helps you out.